and welcome to Sibos 2018 in Sydney. I'm Hannah Wallace, and with me now is Parviz Peiravi from Intel, and we're going to be talking about artificial intelligence. Hello Parviz, it's good to see you again.
Thank you, that's my favorite topic.
Fantastic, and how are you enjoying the event so far?
It's been great, actually. So learning every year that I attend Sibos, there are different topics, hot topics versus change topics, and I've been enjoying it so far.
And now, of course, around the exhibition floor, AI is certainly a buzzword, but what's new this year compared to last year?
So AI has been around for some time, especially last 3 to 4 years. Number of financial institutions have been deploying or at least going through the proof of concept. And some of the projects has been successful, some of them not. But in general, what I'm seeing this year is that the focus has been shifted from just an AI topic into how do we operationalize in AI in a larger scale. Most project that has been done successfully, it's been focused on only one isolated use case or one or two isolated use cases. But when you are trying to take that from an agile project, very focused implementation into larger scale, enterprise-wide implementation, there are significant challenges. And some of those challenges associated with data. So I'm glad to see that financial institutions paying attention to the challenges of basically operationalizing AI in larger scale and going back to addressing the data challenges. For having a useful and efficient AI output, you do require to have high quality, consistent high quality flow of data through the pipeline to be used by machine learning programs. And that's where the challenge really lies. Where do you get all that volume of data? How do you make sure that the quality of data is up to expectation? So this is where I'm seeing that the focus is changing on solving that problem now.
All right, and following on from that quite nicely then, what are the challenges for financial service organizations when trying to implement artificial technology?
Sure. So as I mentioned, number one is data discovery, data integration, and pre-processing. But beyond that, we're talking about data preparation. Majority of projects today, the data labeling, which is very human-intensive operation, is being done by people, and automating that process is one of the major challenges to overcome and enable the scalable implementation of AI. Secondly, focusing on also all automated model development and serving. This is another area of enabling larger scale implementation. And the third one is security. Now we are seeing that people start looking into, if you are using artificial intelligence as a black box, how do you trust the outcome? How do you ensure that the security it's being taken care of and this is not being tampered? Because now we are seeing that AI is a code. So if you are writing a code, that you have to ensure the security of those code and ensuring that the outcome is what it's supposed to be or expected to be. So therefore we are seeing all of this as a challenges that needs to be addressed. Some we do have a technology to address, others is going to come in along as we moving forward. But again, I'm happy to see most of financial institutions start seeing those challenges. It's not just doing one project well, I want to do hundreds of it. And how do I do well and make it efficient and also cost effective?
Fantastic. Well, you've highlighted the challenges there. So now could you tell me how can Intel help?
Oh, of course. So Intel has been focusing on artificial intelligence for a long time. We do have a number of approaches. Number one, we are developing a number of hardware chipsets that address different type of artificial intelligence problems. From CPU that we've been developing for a long time to FPGA, field programmable gate arrays that you can run AI inference on it very efficiently, to utilization of ASIC chips that focus on, for example, deep learning problems. So we do recognize that the future includes number of hardware from CPU to GPU to FPGA to ASICs to be able to solve all different type of AI problems. So we are developing that. Now, on top of that, we have developed a number of libraries that make it easier for developers to develop application on top. So developing libraries, software development kits, enabling the ecosystem developer to take advantage of the hardware capabilities, underlying hardware capabilities. We have specifically addressed the storage problem. As I talked about, AI really requires a large amount of data. Where do you store that? And how efficiently can you store it is one of the areas that Intel has been focusing with Intel Optane technology. We also recognize majority of artificial intelligence programs running in memory, in system memory. So we also focused on developing, as part of Optane technology, and a specific persistent memory that allow majority of in-memory AI application run in a very large scale persistent memory, up to terabytes of memory that they can run entire program in it. So we basically change our attention as well into working with ecosystem partners. So it's not just developing hardware or libraries and software, but enabling our partners to actually implement those as part of their solution offering. So our customer can buy it off the shelf from our partners, and a lot of this technology already been integrated into those software that they can buy from our partners or from our hardware partner, OEM partners such as Dell, Cisco, IBM, Lenovo, and etc. And HP, of course.
Some very positive developments there. Parviz, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching.